Welcome to our 5 on 5. Pleased to welcome in Brandon Bethea, a marketing manager for Rain Rock Casino in Yreka. Good to see you, man. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Congratulations on the casino. I understand we don't have a date set yet?
Not as of yet, yeah. Okay. It's coming up quick. We're looking at the late February time frame for opening the doors, though. So it's definitely fast approaching.
It's 2018. It is fast approaching, exactly. So what's exciting you most about that opening?
Well, obviously the community involvement that's coming along there, just seeing the project build itself. You know, if you're traveling south on I-5 right now and you look out there eastbound, you definitely see the building and everything coming together. And all the construction crews that are down there, the crew that we have putting together the property is a bunch of great guys. So just seeing the whole project come together and all the finishing touches kind of starting to wrap up.
Yeah, seeing those walls goes up. That's a landmark among many, of course, but that's very nice. Okay, in the meantime, you guys are doing some hiring right now. We're going to kind of focus on that. When and where are you guys having this hiring fair?
Yeah, so we have a huge job fair coming up this weekend. It's going to be Friday, January 5th and Saturday, January 6th. The Friday's the evening, so we're looking at 3 to 6, and then Saturday, join us in the morning, 9 a.m. to noon. And this job fair is going to be at the Siskiyou Golden Fairgrounds, and it's an excellent opportunity if you're looking to start a new career in the gaming industry to come on out, or even just to come down, check us out, and say hi to all the friendly staff and friendly people we have going on there. So.
Yeah, and you talked about possibly beginning a career in the gaming industry. Yeah. Do people have to have a background in that industry?
Absolutely. So we're looking for everybody. You know, obviously, casino's a large organization. We're looking to fill over 200 positions. We're looking for entry-level people. We're looking for people with experience. We're looking for smiling faces that just kind of want to check out what a casino business is all about. So positions in everything across the board in the casino world. So marketing, security, HR, facilities, slots, tables, food and beverage, everything under the sun. We're looking for those kind of positions right now.
Okay, we're going to take a quick commercial break. I'll have much more with Brandon in a moment. Stay with us. Welcome back to our 5 on 5. Again, we're here with Brandon Bethea from Rain Rock Casino. So we're talking about this big job fair you guys have going on this Friday and Saturday?
That's right, Friday and Saturday.
Okay. Yeah. So what kind of job requirements are we looking for a lot of different positions, as you said?
So if you really want to get detailed, you can go to our website, www.rainrockcasino.com. There's a full listing of all the positions that will be available at the job fair. But they're looking for everything, entry level all the way up to supervision, some management positions. So some that are, you know, bare bones, don't require any experience at all the way up to, you know, full level management positions that are going to be available there. Most of these jobs are 21 and older. There are a few that are open to 18 and or older, but other than that, that's really just, we're looking for people with can-do attitude and really customer orientated and friendly and outgoing.
Okay, and what about dealers? I imagine you've got to hire a lot of people who are in the pits, if you will, handling the money and all that. What kind of requirements? I mean, do they have to come in with that background, or
do
you train them?
So actually, one of the things we're looking for right now, before even the job fair hits, is we're taking applications for table games dealers, experience or no experience. Table games it takes a little bit more training before we open the doors. So we want to make sure our dealers are fully capable of getting those cards out there on the tables. So we're actually going to hold a paid training class that will begin January 9th and run for 4 to 5 weeks. So we are taking currently applications for that. No need to wait for the job fair. Just contact our human resources. All the information is on the website, www.rainrockcasino.com.
Okay, and again, the times for the job fair, it's Friday and Saturday.
Correct. Friday, so 3 to 6, so in the evening, and then Saturday from 9 a.m. to noon.
Okay, very good. Great to see you. Thank you so much for being here. It's very exciting.
Absolutely.
All right, stay with us. We'll be right back.